Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of two smartphones below the 25,000 price segment in India. So we have the Samsung Galaxy F62 versus the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So these are two devices below the 25,000 price segment. Now the Mi 10i comes with the Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor, while the Samsung Galaxy F62 comes with Exynos 9825 octa-core processor. Now both have pretty good hardware. Now the Samsung Galaxy F62 comes with the Exynos 9825 octa-core processor, which is a flagship processor from the S10 series, so it's a really powerful chipset. Now we are going to do a speed test comparison of these two devices to see which performs better, which has better memory management and which has better app opening time. Now the Snapdragon 750G is a mid-range chipset, but the Exynos 9825 is more of a powerful chipset. So let's see how good they perform. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So we'll be opening 16 apps and see which is faster and which has the better memory management. So that's the speed test. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin the speed test comparison. So we have the two devices here, the Samsung Galaxy F62 and the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So let's go to the settings first. So let's just take the settings, about phone here. So you can see here Xiaomi Mi 10i with the Android 10 update and the MIUI 12.0.4, the global variant. Now we have the Samsung Galaxy F62 with, you can just have a look at the software version here. So Android 11, One UI 3.1, and we have the Exynos 9825 octa-core processor on the Samsung Galaxy F62, while we have the Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor on this device. So that's the two devices. So we're going to do a speed test comparison to see which device is faster in terms of opening of these 16 apps, and then which is able to retain all the apps in the memory management test. So we'll just clear off all the apps. So you can see here everything is cleared off, no apps are running. Let's also see the network connection. So just turning off the Bluetooth. Airplane mode, I will just turn off the Bluetooth here as well. So both are in airplane mode. You can see that both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So similar state on both the devices. Now let's start the speed test, just clearing off the apps once again. So everything is cleared off. So let's start the speed test. So we'll start off with Asphalt 9. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. Now both the devices have the gaming mode enabled. By default both have the same network and the app conditions. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. So you can see that Mi 10i loaded the game faster. That's probably quite surprising considering that Samsung is marketing this as a flagship chipset. So let's go to the next tab. Next tab is the Super Mario Run. So let's see which is able to load this game faster. So here probably the Samsung had a slight advantage, not by a huge margin, some fraction of a second. Next is the Play Store. Again Samsung was faster. Next is the Chrome browser. Here again you can see that Samsung F62 was faster. Facebook, again Samsung was faster. Twitter, it was faster on the Mi 10i. Instagram, again Samsung is faster. Gaana, let's see which is able to load this faster. So here again Mi 10i was faster. Amazon, Samsung was faster. Flipkart, again F62 was faster. File Manager, again Samsung is faster. Settings, again Samsung is faster. YouTube, here again Samsung is faster. Gmail, again Samsung is faster. Camera, Samsung is faster. Maps, again Samsung is faster. So you could see that except for Asphalt 9 and one or two apps, most of the other apps were faster on the Samsung Galaxy F62 when compared with the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So that was the speed test. Now, as we all know that MIUI is a bit more heavier UI, and the optimization isn't that great on the Mi 10i that we have told in our review as well. So let's now see the memory management of these two devices. So Maps is available, Camera is available, Gmail is available, YouTube is available, Settings available, File Manager is available, Flipkart is available, Amazon is kind of available, Ghana available, Instagram available, Twitter is reloaded on this Mi 10i, Facebook available, Chrome browser is available, Play Store is available. Mario Run is reloaded on both the devices. That's quite surprising because it's not a very high intensive game, but it has been reloaded here. So both the devices it is reloaded. Now you can see that the Samsung again was faster in opening that up. Now finally Asphalt 9. So Asphalt 9 is retained on this device. That's kind of surprising because Mario Run was reloaded and this is available. So Asphalt 9 is available in memory on the Samsung Galaxy F62 while it is being reloaded on the Mi 10i. So here we can say that Samsung Galaxy F62 is definitely better than the Mi 10i in terms of memory management. Mi 10i is in worse actually. A couple of games, a couple of apps and the game was reloaded. Both the games were reloaded. So it's not the best UI in terms of memory management, which we have told in our previous speed test as well. So it's kind of a decent UI. So Samsung Galaxy F62 here we would say is the winner in terms of app opening as well as in terms of memory management. So that is the speed test comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.